Welcome to our review of the 5 best underwater drones you can buy. As technology advances, more and more manufacturers are creating drones that can explore the depths of the ocean and capture stunning images and videos. We have done the research to curate this list of the top 5 underwater drones of 2023, giving you the best options available on the market. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or just looking to have some fun, these underwater drones will provide you with the perfect way to capture and explore the underwater world. Number 5. Gladius Mini. The Gladius Mini underwater drone is an amazing piece of technology. It offers 4K UHD footage with a f3.0 lens and two 1200 lumen LED lights, allowing users to explore the depths of the ocean in stunning detail. The remote controller and app remote control allow for precise maneuverability and adjustable tilt lock for epic access to underwater scenes. The Mini also supports virtual reality equipment for an immersive experience, and can be used to live stream or share media on up to 3 devices. Plus, it's incredibly lightweight and portable, able to dive to an incredible 330 feet with a 100 meters tether. If you're looking for a great underwater drone, the Gladius Mini is an excellent choice. Number 4. FIFISH V6. The FIFISH V6 underwater drone is a revolutionary piece of technology that offers users an unparalleled underwater experience. With AI Vision Lock, QYSEA 360 degrees omnidirectional movement, 4K camera, and a 166 degrees UV, the FIFISH V6 gives users a level of underwater control and image quality that is truly remarkable. The inclusion of VR control and a 330 feet dive allow users to experience deeper levels of immersion and detail when exploring underwater. With 12 megapixel 1 or 2.3 complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor, 4000 lumens LED light, and up to 240 frames per second slow motion, no detail is spared when capturing underwater images. Whether you're looking for content creation, marine inspection, aquaculture, archaeological observation, or just a unique underwater experience, the FIFISH V6 will exceed your expectations. Number 3. PowerVision PowerDolphin. The PowerVision PowerDolphin Wizard is an amazing water surface drone that offers a wide range of features and capabilities. With a 4K UHD camera, 220 rotatable camera, self-righting flip capabilities, one-button home function, intelligent fishing and waypoint mapping functions, and a wireless remote control range of up to 0.5 mile, this drone has everything you need for your next water adventure. Whether you're an adult or a kid, the PowerDolphin is sure to make your outdoor experience even more fun. With its mobile fish finding capability and stunning video performance, you'll be able to extend your range of exploration on the water. Number 2. PowerVision PRW10. The PowerVision PRW10 PowerA Wizard underwater drone is a revolutionary way to explore the depths of the ocean. This innovative drone is designed to be used by both professionals and hobbyists alike. With its deep dive capabilities of up to 98 feet, 4K UHD camera, fish finder, and VR goggles, this drone is sure to provide an unforgettable underwater experience. The 64-megapixel SD card allows you to capture and store all of your amazing photos and videos. Additionally, the advanced technology of the PowerA Wizard allows you to use the PowerSeeker fish finder to locate and place bait wherever you desire. Finally, the PowerVision edition of the VR goggles offer an immersive first-person view of the underwater world. If you're looking for a unique way to explore the depths of the ocean, the PowerVision PRW10 PowerA Wizard underwater drone is a great choice. Number 1. Geneinno. The Geneinno underwater drone camera 4K UHD ROV is an incredibly innovative device that will allow you to explore the depths of the ocean with ease. It's equipped with a 6-thruster design that allows for 360 degrees attitude control and smooth navigation in 6 directions. It also features a wireless transmitter, a 4K 30 frames per second video, and 1080 photograph resolution camera with a 160 degrees wide-angle lens, making it easy to capture all of your epic moments. Additionally, this drone is built to endure 1.5 megapascal pressure, making it extremely durable and easy to take with you on your adventures. With all of these features, this drone is perfect for underwater exploration, yachting, education, and much more. So if you're looking for an incredible underwater drone camera, the Geneinno underwater drone camera 4K UHD ROV is definitely worth checking out.